Yo, everybody, what's going on? It's your boy Kareem, aka the T-Shirt Professor, coming at you with yet another video. Alright, so today, I'm just, I'm kind of in a good mood because I was able to go ahead and, get my shirt order done for the school I was doing the shirts for. So, because I ran into a couple of roadblocks, as you guys know. I had my machine back here, it blew up on me, you know what I mean? And then, so I had to scramble and figure out what was wrong, and had to replace the part and get it back up and running so I could actually fulfill the t-shirt order. So nonetheless, I was able to go ahead and get that knocked out, and I was able to get that joint working again and complete all my shirts. So just a real quick synopsis. Like I said, I had a t-shirt order, and I got I had about 59 shirts, starting off, that I had to do. I decided to go ahead and go with a t-shirt transfer, a heat transfer versus vinyl. Now, I actually, for this particular order, because I had 99% of them needed to be done in transfers, and so there was 1% because there was somebody who actually ordered a special order shirt, which was a different color and things like that, that required me to go ahead and do like a vinyl shirt. So here they are. I'll go ahead and show them to you real quick. This is the first one. All right, see that? That's the circular logo, and this is, like I said, this of course is done with heat transfer that I got from 613 Originals, and it was the varsity print formula, which is kind of like their standard formula that they use as far as economic. But just to let everybody know, heat printed transfers, for those who are not sure what that is, heat transfers feel and look exactly like a screen printed shirt. All right, it feels exactly like it would feel if somebody were to do this at a print shop. It's nothing different as far as like the feel and the look of it. All right, so that's one of them. That's the circular logo, and that I actually came up with for the school. So now it's going to basically be the school logo. All right, and so this is the other one. All right, pretty big shirt, but this is the other one. Standard design. You cut the letters, and then you insert the bar, in the middle. Just that was just like a quick and easy thing. But a lot of people liked it. More people ordered this particular shirt than the circular logo. So more people like this one. Simple is better. That's what they say. Again, Plastisol heat transfer from 613 Originals, and they did me right. They did it. They did a good job with the transfer. It actually adhered without no problems. I didn't have any problems at all. Unlike, there was a previous transfer company that I used, and every now and then I would have like these issues where not all the Plastisol ink will stick to the shirt. It comes up, and there was a lot of spoilage. You know what I mean? Like, meaning that there were some shirts that I had to do over because it wasn't sticking to the garment. But not with this particular company. 613 Originals. They are they're the real deal. You know what I mean? So they've held up. They've held up. And I'm going to show you the special order one that somebody wanted to use or wanted to get. And let's look at that one. All right. So it's a white shirt. It's a white shirt with a navy blue design as well as yellow. Now, apparently these are the actual school colors, blue and yellow. So this is something that somebody wanted. They were like, so they kind of, I guess they wanted to stand out, which, no problem. I have no issue with that. Individuality, everybody want to, kind of stand out or whatever. But this person, so of course I did this in vinyl, you know what I mean? So it's a two-color vinyl. It was a two-color press. I obviously, had to, use my vinyl cutter to make this. weeded out all the little letters and different things like that. And then and press it twice. So I pressed the first layer, which was the blue layer, and I went ahead and followed that up with, you know, lining up the middle part and pressing that. And I tacked it both times, and of course on the second time when both parts of the design was already on there, I went ahead and pressed it for the full 15-20 seconds. And so here you go. And so that's what that looks like on a white t-shirt with navy blue and yellow colors. So I was able to do that. So after all that, I ended up, you know, using both methods, which was heat transfer vinyl and Plastisol heat transfers. So, and they obviously both worked out, and I'm about to go and deliver those, deliver these shirts. And I'm already anticipating, you know, getting more orders from probably more staff that didn't order these. And I'm also anticipating on, you know, it's possibly going to be some kids and some parents that may want to get some as well. So, you know, once they see this first run, once they see these first sets, I'm pretty sure they'll say, oh man, let me get one now. I want to get one. So you know how that goes, social proof, whatever. So it's all good. But anyway, I wanted to let you guys know that I was able to get that order complete. So now we're just going to get these bad boys folded up, boxed up, and get these things delivered to the school. And we'll have a happy, you know, that'll be yet another happy customer that the t-shirt professor hooked up with some shirts. So anyway, all right guys, so, you know, this has been today's video. Just want to hit you guys up, let you know what's going on, since I told you I would, you know, be with you during the process. You know, obviously, you know, good, bad, and ugly, you know. So, all right guys, as usual, you know, just like, comment, subscribe. You know, tell me what you liked about the video, what videos you'd like to see done in the future. And I'll be sure to, you know, accommodate that, and I will be sure to, you know, answer your questions or reply to your comments, you know, different things like that. So, with that said, I'm about to be out this piece. As usual, can't wait to hear from you, can't wait to see you. All right? And happy t-shirt printing, guys. Peace.